Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we'll start with numericals. Yesterday, how many numericals we done, Atidi? Ma'am, how many numericals we completed yesterday? We started some numericals, am I right? Only one or two? Guys, anyone, please respond. We done one numerical or two? Okay, one. So we'll start with the second one onwards today. This is simple numericals. I already told you strategies, how to approach and all. Only the thing is visualization, what kind of diagram it will form, and try to depict the diagram on the paper and solve it. So the second question, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. It's like a tumbler in Tamil, but it's not like a cylindrical. It's a part of the vessel is cylinder and rest of the part is hemisphere. So they gave the diameter. See, they gave the diameter means indirectly they are giving the diameter of the cylinder also. Then only you can able to mount. You can able to mount. Let's see how to solve this kind of questions. Yeah, so vessel is in the form of an hollow hemisphere. This is an hollow hemisphere, and which the diameter is. So the diameter is how much? This is the diameter, 14 centimeter, and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Diameter. So this is the radius and rest of the height of the cylinder h. This total height is 13 centimeter. So radius of the hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is equal to 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So radius of the cylinder is equal to radius of the hemisphere, then only you can able to mount it properly. Radius of the cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter, half of the diameter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So the inner surface area of the vessel is inner surface area of the vessel. Curved surface area of sphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. What is the curved surface area formula for the sphere, students? Don't calculate separately. You have to frame the equation. At the end, you will calculate the final answer. The final calculation will give the final answer. Curved surface area is pi 2 pi r square for sphere. What is the curved surface area for the cylinder? 2 pi r h. So 2 into pi into r square is 7 square plus 2 into pi into r is 7, h is 6. If I'm taking 2 into pi into 7 common, I will get 7 plus 6. My final answer is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 6 is 13. And 7 cancel. The final answer is 44 into 13 centimeter square. So it will be easy to calculate 13 into 44. 572 centimeter square is the inner surface area of this vessel. It is nothing but the outer surface area, because thickness doesn't matter here. It didn't mention anywhere about the thickness. Only to confuse us, they mention like inner surface area is what. Hope you are clear what I'm saying. Is it clear, students? This question? Anyone having any doubt? Want to repeat it again? Please, guys, respond. Kshita, Amrita, Arman, Harita, Janavi.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, we'll move to the next question. The toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on the hemisphere of the radius of the same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of the toy. Here also curved surface area of the cone. So the toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere like this. This is the total height of the toy. The total height of the toy is radius of the hemisphere plus height of the cone. This is a visualization. We have to visualize like this. This is a toy looks like. So from here to here is a radius of the cone and as well as sphere. And this is also radius, and rest of the thing is height of the cone. So this is a total height, capital H. Total height of the toy will be equal to height of conical shape or cone shape plus radius of this hemisphere. According to given data, the radius is 3.5 centimeter. So total height is 15.5. 15.5 is equal to height of the cone will plus 3.5. From here, height of the cone will be equal to 15.5 minus 3.5. How much? 12 centimeter. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Radius of the cone will be equal to radius of the hemisphere will be equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now he is asking what is the total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of cone shape plus curved surface area of hemisphere. This will be equal to CSF. The cone is, what is the CSF a cone? Pi RL plus 2 pi r square. So here your job is you have to calculate the slant height, and after that you have to proceed to the question. Calculate and let me know what is the answer. Pi RL means pi r into square root of r square plus h square plus 2 pi r square. Now substitute all the values and let me know what is the final answer you are getting. Substitute all the answers and let me know what is the answer you are getting. Anyone got the answer? Please let me know. What is the slant height of the cone? Anyone got the slant height value? Please let me know if you got the slant height value. Anyone? Anyone got the slant height? Students, please respond. This is 3.5. This is 12. So root of 144 plus 3.5 square is how much? What is the value of 3.5 square? 12.25.
122.
Yeah, 1225 is 35 square. So it will be 6.25, which is equal to
2.5.
25 square, nothing but 12.5. So 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 12.5 plus 2 pi r square is a CSA. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So I can cancel. This is 0.5 times. This is 0.5 times. So I can take 22 into 0.5 is the common. So if I'm taking 22 into 0.5 is common, 12.5 plus 22 into 0.2 into 3.5. So 22 into 0.5 is 11. 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5 is 7. So 11 into 19.5. 195, 195. So the answer is how much? 214.5 centimeter square I got. Please let me know whether you are getting the same answer. See, the calculation is your skill. How you are going to do with the help of algebra, analytical skills. That you have to make yourself little bit fast. Hope you are clear with this question. Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubts in this question? So the major thing in these questions is everyone can able to do it easily. Only what I observed from many batches, they're struggling to complete the question, the proper calculations. So what they're trying to do, a few students, they will calculate pi RL separately, 2 pi r square separately. After that, they will add separately. So we have to use little bit logical skills here. So instead of adding each and every part separately, just what I'm doing is I'm preparing an equation. So the total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of the cone shape plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, and certain things I'm taking common, and I'm making the calculation simple, and in a single shot I'm getting the answer. So keep it in mind how you are going to do. That is depends upon your practice. It won't show. It won't come in any one particular book. Based on your discussions with your friends and teachers, you will get the easy way how to do the calculations here. Yeah. And the next question. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by an hemisphere. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter. So there is a cubical block. That means there is a cube of 7 centimeter. There is a cube like this. So the side of the cube is 7 centimeter. So all the sides are surmounted by a hemisphere. So they are surmounted by an hemisphere like this. I'm doing the hemisphere shape with red color. So there is an hemisphere like this. So one face is a square and the bottom of the hemisphere is a circle. So the entire square is not aligned with the circle. Only the circle part is vanishing. So the rest of the shaded region is visible here. So this rest of the shaded region, if I'm looking to like this, it looks like this. If I'm looking from the top, it will be like this. You can see these are the places where I can see the surface. What is the surface area of the solid? Find the surface area of the solid. So the surface area of the solid, how to calculate here? So simple. See, the common region is vanishing here. After putting the hemisphere on this top, I am unable to see some region of this face. So here two objects, one is hemisphere and the other one is cube. So the total surface area of the solid, I can write like this. Total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus area of the hemisphere base. That means what are the area, this circle area I have to eliminate because I am included here. This face entirely included in TSA, but some part of the face is not visible. That part of the face is equal to area of the circle. That is area of the base of the sphere. Is it clear? Is this equation is clear? If you are able to frame this equation, then this question is over. Is it clear? Here the greatest diameter is, how I can give the greatest diameter is side of the cube. So the greatest diameter is 7 centimeter. So 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, which is equal to 6a square plus pi r square is the greatest surface area. So 6a square is how much? 6 into 7 square plus 22 by 7 into r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, because r is diameter is 7. So I can get to 11 times, and this will be 7 square, 6 into 49 plus 77 by 2. What is the final answer you are getting? Please calculate this value and let me know what is the final answer you are getting. $294 plus 77, 70 half is 35, 7 half is 3.5. So 38.5. So I got the final answer is 332.5 centimeter square. Anyone got the same answer? Let me know. If you are getting different answer, please let me know. We will look into this where we gone wrong. So make it simple. From this diagram, we can say the greatest diameter of the hemisphere is equal to side of the cube, which is equal to 7 centimeter. That option you can able to write by using the diagram. You have to draw the diagram and you have to show, then only it will be easy. Is it clear, students? Students, please respond. Is it clear, this question? I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Next one is also similar kind, but it is little different. Some part of the solid is removed from the cube. That is the next question. When it comes to next question, we done fourth one, so we are going to the fifth one. The hemispherical depression is cut. Depression is cut means on one face of a cubical wooden block such as the diameter L from the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. So the edge of the cube is also L units. The diameter of the cube also, hemisphere also L units. Determine the surface area of the remaining. So same kind of question. A small change is, instead of keeping a hemisphere, he removed some amount of the solid in the shape of hemisphere like this. There is a depression. He removed the solid like this, some solid like this. If I'm looking from the top, it looks like this. It's a depression. Depression. So some part is removed like this. So he's asking us calculate the surface area. So here the new surface was formed, and you have to remove this circle surface because the total surface area of the solid, is equal to TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere, but this part is not visible, only the curved surface is only visible and this is removed, minus base of the sphere. TSA of the cube is 6L square plus 2 pi L by 2 whole square minus pi L by 2 whole square. Calculate and let me know what is the answer you are getting. Guys, anyone got the answer? Six L square plus this is 2 pi L square by 4 minus pi L square by 4. So 6L square plus pi L square, 2 times pi L square by 4, 1 time pi L square by 4, pi L square by 4 is. If I am taking L square common, 6 plus pi by 4 square units is the answer. Is everyone got the same answer? Students, please respond. Have you got the same answer? Are you clear why I am subtracting that pi L square by 2, I mean pi of L by 2 whole square, why I am adding? Is it clear? Students, please respond.
Yes, sir. We go to the next one.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, please. Sorry, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Done? Done, students?
Yes, sir.
So next question I will show on the screen. Please try yourself, because they gave the diagram itself. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Shown in the figure, the length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area. So anyone can tell the final formula for the surface area? Anyone? Anyone, please give the answer for this question. First, give the formula for the sixth question. See, if I am looking into separately, this is like this. Two hemispheres bounded with a cylinder. First, if I am taking the cylinder capsule, if I want to complete this shape, I have to put one hemisphere here of the diameter of the cylinder, another hemisphere of the same diameter. So this is R, this is height of the cylinder, and this is the radius of. So this total length is 14 mm, and the diameter of the cylinder or diameter of the sphere is 5 mm. So radius of the cylinder is equal to radius of the sphere will be equal to 2.5 mm, and length of the cylinder or height of the cylinder, because of the horizontal, this height of the cylinder is nothing but length of the cylinder. Here the length of the cylinder is R plus H plus R will be equal to 14 centimeter. We need only the H here. So 14 minus 2R, that is 14 minus the diameter, 14 minus 5, 9 millimeter. Now we got the parameters. Now he is asking the surface area of the capsule. Surface area of the capsule is equal to curved surface area of first hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of second hemisphere. I will get formula like this. I will get the total surface area of this capsule will be equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 4 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If I am taking 2 pi r common, 2 common, pi gone, r gone, so 2r plus 2 pi r gone means h. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius is 2.5 plus 2r is nothing but 10 plus height is we got, so 2r plus h is nothing but 14. No, not 14. Sorry guys, we done a small mistake. 2r is 5, not 14. So 2r is 5, diameter is 5 plus height is 9, so 14. This will be 2 into 2.5 is 5 pi plus 14 centimeter square. Students, is it clear what is the answer? What is the final answer? Anyone can give the final answer? What is the final answer? 5 into 3.14 plus 14. What is the final answer you are getting?
Sir, 220, sir.
Sorry?
220, sir.
No. Yeah, sorry. 220 mm square. But my answer is not coming 220. Where we done the mistake? This is multiplication. So this is multiplication. That is a mistake we done. 5 pi into 14, correct? 5 into 3.1
Yes, sir.
into 14. That is 70 into 3.22 by 7. 7 tenths. So the answer is 220. Yes, the answer is 220 mm square. Simple. So only understanding how it looks, that is important here. So try the 7th question. We'll try to wind up this exercise and we'll meet for volumes tomorrow class. We'll finish these 3 questions today. Yeah, the tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylinder part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, cylindrical part dimensions. These are the cylindrical part dimensions. In the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used to making the tents. Also find the cost of the canvas. If you find the total canvas required, the cost is easy, just multiplying the per meter square. So note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. So the tent is like this. The base of the base and top is not covered with the canvas. It's a the top is covered with a conical shape. So here, how much area of the canvas is required? First, we will identify the dimensions. The cylindrical part dimensions are height and the diameter. The height of the 2.1 meter and diameter of the cylinder is 4 meter and slant height of the cone is 2.8 meter. Based on the cylinder diameter, the diameter of the cone also 4 meter. So the area of the canvas required is equal to curved surface area of cylindrical shape plus curved surface area of conical shape. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus pi r l. So r is 2 meter. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into the height is 2.1 meter plus 22 by 7 into the radius is 2 and slant height is 2.8. So here, however you want, you can do. This is 7, 0.3 times 7, 0.4 times. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 2 into 0.3 is 0.6 plus 44 into 0.4. So I'm taking 44 common, 0.6 plus 0.4. 44 into 1. 44 meter square is the total area of the canvas required. This is the total area of the canvas required. Is it clear? Everyone got the same answer, students? Guys, please.
Yes, sir.
So how to find out the total cost of the canvas? rate of the canvas so cost of the canvas for 44 meter square will be equal to 500 into 44. So the cost per unit area into total area. So how much? What is the answer you are getting? What is the total cost?
So 22,000.
22,000 rupees is the total cost of the canvas required to build the tent. Last two questions for today. Guys, I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Let's play.
Yeah. Eighth question. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. So find out the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So first of all, there is a cylinder and the dimensions of the cylinder is height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. And what they done, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter. So they removed the conical cavity is like this. This is the conical cavity. This part they removed. Now it is looking like this. If I'm seeing, it looks like this. I can see some surface inside this. I can see some more surface which is in the shape of cone, but outside it is which is in the shape of a cylinder without top. A cylinder without a top. He is asking what is the total surface area of the remaining solid. So total surface area of remaining solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus base area of cylinder because the base is there plus CSA of cone. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r l. Because the diameter of the conical cavity and the diameter of the cylinder is same. This is 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r into square root of r square plus h square. So I can take pi r common in each and every term. This is 2h plus, if I am taking pi r common here, it is r plus square root of r square plus h square. So radius is equal to 0.7. 22 by 7 into 0.7. 2 times height is 4.8 plus radius is 0.7 plus 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. Solve this calculation and let me know what is the final answer. This is 10 times. So 220 into 4.8 plus 0.7. It is 5.5 plus 0.7 square is 0.49 plus 2.4 whole square. What is the value of 2.4 whole square, students? That is 24 square. You know it. $5.76. This will be 220 into 5.5 plus root of 576.49. No, 5 point. Sorry, guys. 6.25. This whole thing is 6.25. If I am taking this 6.25, 220 plus 5.5 plus this is 2.5. 6.25 under the root is 2.5. So the answer is 220 into 5 plus 2, 7, 8. What is the final answer you are getting? That is 220 into 8. You do your own calculation and just compare with my answer, whether you are getting same or not. If you feel this is comfortable for you, you can follow these kind of calculations also. Guys got the same answer. What is the answer? Are you clear with the answer? Chitra. 1350. అర్థం కాలేదురా, ప్రస్తుతానికి జీరో రా. ఏదైనా ఉంటే నైట్ పంపిస్తాను. నైట్ వచ్చే అమౌంట్ ఉంది ఒకటి. అర్జెంట్ అయింది. లేదు నేను నైట్ పంపిస్తాను. కొంచెం అసలు జీరో బ్యాలెన్స్ లో ఉంది. నాకు నైట్ వస్తాయి. వేరే వాళ్ళు పంపించేది ఉంది. ఖచ్చితంగా నైట్ లో పంపిస్తాను. 11 లో పంపిస్తాను నీకు. లేదు ఖచ్చితంగా పంపిస్తాను. 1350 నీకు. అర్థమైంది. ఎందుకు మొత్తం క్లోజ్ అయింది కదా పంపిస్తే. నాకు ట్యూషన్ అమౌంట్ వచ్చేది ఉంది. నేను పంపిస్తాను బాగా. అది పంపించాను. ఇది ఒక్కటే ఫిజ్ అప్పుడుదే, ఇంకా బ్యాలెన్స్ అప్పుడు మనకి ఇంకేం లేదు. అంతకు ముందు అన్ని క్లియర్ చేశాను. షాపింగ్ అప్పుడు లేవురా. సరే నైట్ మాట్లాడతాడు. లేదా ఎప్పుడే క్లియర్ అయిపోయినాయిరా, కొట్టాను నేను. సరేరా నేను క్లాస్ మధ్యలో చేస్తాను. Students, please, what is the answer? Guys, please respond. What is the answer?
That is Eva. That is Daddy
$1760 centimeter square. Is it right answer you got? Or 17.60? Where we missed the decimals? Guys, look into the question. Anywhere we done any mistake? Yes, here. Students, please. This is not 7 10 times. 7 10 times is 70. This is 0.1 times. So then it will become 2.2, not 220. 2.2, 2.2, 2.2. This is 2.2 into 8. So 2.2 into 8 is 117.60 centimeter square. So 17.6 centimeter square is the final answer. Please, is it right? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the last question. So the question is very clear here. A wooden article was made up of scooping out of a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder shown in the figure. Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and base radius is 3.5. Find the total surface area of the article. So the total surface area of the article is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of top hemisphere plus CSA of bottom hemisphere. So this is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square, which is giving 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square. If I am taking 2 pi r common, h plus 2r. So the radius is 3.5, height is 10. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5, the height is 10, 2 times radius is 7. This is 7, 0.5 times. So 2 into 0.5 is 1. So 22 into 17 is the final answer. Please calculate the value of 22 into 17 and let me know the final answer. What is the final answer you are getting? Is it clear how the calculation I done without substituting the values to get easily? Students, please. Is it clear what I'm trying to like asking you to do? In which method it is easy to calculate the values instead of calculating 2 pi r h separately, 2 pi r square separately. Just we are making an equation and I'm taking certain things common and I'm making as a simple expression. After that only I'm substituting the values. What is the final answer here? Students, please respond. What is the final answer? Vaishnavi, Harita, anyone? Aditi?
Sir, 374 centimeters square.
374.
So 374 centimeter square. It's very simple question. So with this question from NCERT textbook, we completed the questions related to surface areas. Next class, volume of the combination of solids and conversions. These two parts is remaining. Frustum of the cone is removed. So in tomorrow class, we will meet in the next class and we will start the volumes of the combination of the solids. Same. Now we done for surface areas. Suppose if this is like this, half of the cylinder plus a cuboid. This is cylinder minus hemisphere volume. When it comes to volumes, little is easy, but only the thing is the complication is only calculations here. If you look into this, a solid toy is in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. So area volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. So you have to identify very few questions and conversions from one shape to another shape. We will see next class. Only 8 questions. We will try to wind up this exercise also by tomorrow. So we'll meet in the next class. Anyone having any doubts, please practice some questions and get back to me in tomorrow class. You can wind up the session, students. You can close the session. Students, I can close the session. Anyone have?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
You.
Thank you, sir.